This is Annie from the QuickBooks team. Let's go over how to manage your workers' time in QuickBooks Time on the web. We will cover how to manage timesheets using time entries and the Who's Working window, and how to edit time off entries. The Time Entries feature is a great way to review and manage completed timesheets. In QuickBooks Time, go to Time Entries, then Timesheets. If needed, change your date range. Then scroll through the timesheet list to locate your worker's timesheet. Select the pencil icon to open the timesheet editor. Change the date, time in and out, job or customer, and any other available field. Select Save once you've made your changes. If you need to delete a timesheet entered by accident, select the trash icon. If you want to edit a timesheet while a worker is still on the clock, say they forgot to clock out when they left for the day, you can use the Who's Working window. If it's not already open, select Who's Working. Adjust your filters if needed. Then locate the worker on the clock and select the edit icon. To clock this worker out, deselect Currently Working, then adjust the clock out time. Make any other changes and select Save. If you need to manage a time off entry, go to Time Off and locate the time off entry. Select the entry, then select Edit. Adjust the date or hours as necessary and select Save. It is important to note that if you use time off approvals, you can only edit an approved time off entry, but you cannot change the time off code on that entry. If the time off has not been approved, you can deny the request and have the worker resubmit a corrected request. That's it. Now you know how to manage your workers' time in QuickBooks Time on the web.